Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a different tool called OnShape. Now this is the main interface. As you can see, there's a front, top and right panel. Now, yeah, I'm just moving it around and showing you how many things there are. And if, as you can see, there's a cube following me. You have to right click and move. And if you hold it, you can move it simultaneously. So now that I've done that, what I want to do is to show you how to make an extrude and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna show you all these fancy buttons on top. Now, as you can see, no one wants these fancy buttons, and this could be overwhelming for you. So if you click this and you wanna do something and like make a 3D model, it's nothing like Tinkercad at all. It's a complete opposite of Tinkercad. So we have the right, front, and top panel. So now I'm going to click sketch and I'm going to go click one that has something. So we have all of this. So if I click sketch, maybe I can click top right. So I'm going to click the top panel to start. So I'm going to click whatever panel I want. I'm going to click the right panel because I do that the most. So once I click the right panel, now I want to go to view to normal to sketch plane. Now this is a common word used in designing. So if you're doing CAD and you don't know this is very crucial. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt it to make it more centered. So I'm just going to do that now. I have the sketch. I'm going to hide all the panels with the sidebar. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain the origin. The origin is the point of nothing, if you're not touching anything. So our Earth is our origin because it's not touching anything. It's in a magnetic orbit. So this is also commonly used in space terms, like an origin is in the middle of the right, front, and top panel. So we're an origin because we're not touching. We're in the middle of the right top and right top and front panel. As you can see, it's going to be very. There are millions of origins in space, but that's what I'm going to do. So I've clicked sketch, but I want to make some random shape. Let me explain all these buttons. So now we have a center point circle, a corner rectangle, a line, and some text. So I'm going to go to corner rectangle. Normally people tell you to use center point rectangle, but I'm telling you to use corner rectangle. So now I have a corner rectangle. I'm just going to hold and drag. And now I have this real square. But I want to make a sphere. How do I make a sphere? You'll probably ask me that. So first, let's get a circle. Now let's get a line. And so I'm gonna just drag the line across the shape. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click trim, and let's say I've accidentally drew something. I'm gonna go to trim and click it, and now it's disappeared. So if I'm gonna go and trim this, now I'm gonna click this button, revolve. Now I obviously do not want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click it, and I'm going to use the click revolve axis, and I'm going to click that. And now voila, it's perfect. As you can see, I got a perfect sphere. But now what I want to do is I want to make let's say I want to make a 3D model, not a sphere. So I'll go to edit, and I'm going to go to now I have my square. Now I want to extrude it. Oh no, I lost space. Let me just click view normal to sketch plane. I can zoom in, and then maybe I can just turn around. Click right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click trim to cancel this box. And if you hold and drag, you can make this line instead of clicking one thing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make it like a random car. So I know my drawing is not that good, but I'm just gonna make little spikes to make it look like a Cybertruck. But I don't think this will look much like a Cybertruck at all. So now I'm gonna draw it. Oh no, I missed the spot. Let me just draw the line there, and boom. Now this tool is pretty easy, but many people get overwhelmed by all those buttons. CAD designing is pretty easy. It's just people don't know how to use it properly. So now I have this. I'm gonna just make these two wheels. I'm gonna make two wheels, but I'm not gonna. I want to make it like a hole. So now I have this. I'm gonna go and do the same thing, and I'm going to drag it. Now I have a perfect wheel, but they're not the same size, so my car might crash. But if you're a virtual car designer, you need to get these dimensions perfecto. So now I'm gonna click escape. So I'm in the middle of drawing a line, and if you're in the middle of drawing a line, you can escape. So let me just explain that to you. So I'm just gonna draw a line. Oh no, wait, no, wrong one. Oh, I'm gonna draw a line. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. If you click escape on your computer or a PC or whatever you're using, it can basically do that. But now I'm gonna edit this. I'm gonna click this and unhide it. Now I want to make a car. How do I do that? It's a 3D model. It's a sketch. It's a really weird sketch. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go and I'm going to click extrude. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this faces and sketch regions to extrude. Now I have face of sketch 1. Now I'm just going to drag it to make it look like a family car from the bottom top. So now this car looks pretty good. So that's how you do it. So bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and remember like, subscribe and share. Bye.